Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Mailchimp for onboarding sequences and apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Click on the Sign Up Free button located on the home page. Enter your email address in the required field. Choose a username and create a strong password. Click the Get Started button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Mailchimp. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Mailchimp site and enter the required personal information, including your name and company details. Next, select your account preferences, including your country and currency. Click Continue to Dashboard to finalize your account setup. Once in the dashboard, look for the Audience tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Audience and then select Manage Audience. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Onboarding section. Here, you can start creating onboarding sequences for your app. Click Create Onboarding Sequence to begin. Follow the prompts to design your sequence, including setting triggers for user actions. Add relevant content and customize your emails to align with your app's branding. After finalizing the content, click Save and Continue. Review your onboarding sequence settings to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click Start Sending to activate your sequence. Now your onboarding sequence is ready for new users within your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.